Hello everyone, it's me again. Welcome to my channel Poise, where I give you full reviews product in detail. In this review, you'll find all details about the newly released software along with its features, pros, cons, and much more. Before we start Banklify review, you can get a good discounted price on the description section, and guys, ensure you subscribe to the channel. Banklify is new handy software how to build a ClickBank affiliate site at the press of a button in seconds. This software works in any niche. Banklify is a cloud-based software which creates multiple ClickBank affiliate sites in seconds. All you have to do is just provide the software a keyword and your ClickBank affiliate ID, and Banklify takes care of the rest of the work for you. Banklify will auto-fill up your site traffic, getting articles day and night. The funnel is packed with upsells that make Banklify the powerful tool for your subscribers to generate good results and big commissions online. Banklify comes loaded with robust features that enable you to build a fully fledged ClickBank affiliate site at a push of a button. They have used high-quality professional designers, videographers, and copywriters to make sure you get the best conversion and make as much money as possible. Main features: unique content in seconds. Never get pushed by Google in the search results, as your DFI affiliate site will have top-tier unique content. You're able to be optimized to rank, which is #1 on Google. This means you won't have trouble getting visitors. Banklify does the techie stuff behind the scenes to send the right signals to Google so your site ranks on the top. Multiple templates to choose from. You'll have many different styles to choose from when activating your very first ClickBank affiliate site. Self-updating content. Your site will regularly fill itself with fresh, brand new content on 24/7, so it continues to attract free visitors. It means Banklify curates content for your site day and night on complete autopilot. 100% automated site. This ClickBank affiliate site run on 100% autopilot, which allows you to enjoy ClickBank commissions even if you're away from your computer. Free hosting and domain included. It will cover the cost of hosting, and it will also give you a free domain name as well. Article spinner integration. Use 2 text spinner services to make unique articles for your website. You'll be able to create multiple high-quality versions of each article, which will help you outrank your competitors in search engines. No monthly fee. For a limited time only, you can pay once and access Banklify without having to pay any additional fees. Monetize sites by using ClickBank product, placing banner ads and inline links. Guys, you can actually monetize sites via ClickBank affiliate product, CPA offers, or Google AdSense, or replacing any keyword with your affiliate link, CPA link. Monetize sites by promoting products from any affiliate platform. With your built-in monetization, you are allowed to promote products from any platform. You name it, guys. Amazon, eBay, JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Shopify, Pay.com, CJ, etc. It also works on Windows, Mac, and mobile phones. This bad boy works on any device of your choice as long as it's connected to the internet. That's because it's a web-based app. You also have a completed step-by-step training videos included, so guys, you don't have to be scared. They've got you covered with online tutorial explaining every step of the software. All you have to do is follow the training videos and enjoy using the software. On top of that, their support desk is always behind to help you resolve all problems you may have. Once you decide to use this software, you'll always receive a free update as well as full support from them. So the question is, how do you use it? It has actually 4 steps. Step #1, you choose a site template. You'll have many different templates to choose from. Not everything is hosted by them, and you won't need to buy a domain. Step #2, you enter any keyword to fetch unique content. There is no work involved, guys, here. Banklify will automatically fill your site with content. Step #3, input your ClickBank ID. This lets you get paid ClickBank commission. If you don't have a ClickBank account, it's 100% free to sign up. So guys, you can sign it up for free. Lastly, step #4, press save to auto-rank your site to #1 on Google. Banklify will start optimizing your site to Google to put it on the first page of search results, so you're able to easily get tons of traffic and sales every day. Pros: 1, you enjoy passive commissions from the hottest offers of ClickBank. 2, it's just a one-click traffic getting content creation tools included. 3, 100% done for you, unique ClickBank affiliate site. 4, optimized to rank. You're able to rank #1 on Google just at a press of a button. 5, web-based app, so there's nothing to install, guys. 6, free blazing fast hosting included. And lastly, 30-day money bank guarantee. Cons: so far there is none. Guys, I can conclude that this Banklify is the unique way to create multiple ClickBank-based websites for regular commissions and leads. I've actually purchased it and it's actually doing me very good. This price, guys, is worth it. So if you want to purchase it, check on the description section and you can purchase it. Thank you for watching.